Hey, it's Laurie McNaughton, your Scale Up Business Coach. Would it be okay if I got real with you here just for a minute? Did you really start your business so that you could work 60 plus hours a week, wear every hat in the business, put out fires all day long, and still feel like you're stuck? Because if that sounds a little bit like you right now, you're not alone. But more importantly, you don't have to stay there. Most business owners I've worked with over the years were buried. They had a decent team, but they had no accountability. Their revenues were either flat or growing a little bit, but their profits not so much. And they knew that they needed to work on system structure and clarity, but they were just too busy working in their business to work on it. Sound a little familiar? Listen, if your business can't run without you, you don't really own a business. You own a job with overhead and, frankly, a whole lot of stress. That's why we created the Scale Up Business Performance System. It's a 10-step done with you business growth system designed specifically for owner operated businesses with teams between 5 and 50 people. We help you install the systems, the structure, and the team culture that finally allows you the freedom so that your business can operate without your constant supervision. No corporate fluff, no guru nonsense, just real world frameworks that have already helped over 200 business owners reclaim 10 to 20 hours of their week, build teams that take ownership and hold themselves accountable. They scale up profitably and they start to love their businesses again. Here's the difference. We don't just give you the information. We walk beside you and we help you build a team to implement those systems and processes. You'll get proven tools, coaching, and accountability every step of the way. This isn't a course that you just forget about. It's a transformation that you feel in your time, your profit, and more importantly, your peace of mind. So if you're serious about building a business that gives you freedom and not frustration, then hey, let's talk. If you're on our website, just click on the Get in Touch button. Or if you're watching this on social media, click on the link in the description. We'll start with a 15 to 20 minutes to talk about where you're at, where you want to be, and what you see is holding you back. If it's a challenge that I believe I can help you with, and we have some synergy, we'll book a complimentary coaching session where we'll dive deep into the causes, talk about the solutions, and then if we agree that working together will help you get there faster and with a whole lot less stress, we'll talk about a program that fits your budget. No fluff, no pressure, just value. You've built something really special here. Now it's time to make it scalable, sustainable, and enjoyable again. So let's build a business that works for you. Don't do what you may have done often in the past, and that's put off till tomorrow what you should do today. Listen, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Again, I am your Scale Up Business Coach, Laurie McNaughton. I look forward to the opportunity to one day being of service to you.